Hello guys, welcome back to Delta Bytes. Today we are going to make an Autopost Python script where we will be scheduling our Autopost at regular intervals or at the intervals or let's say one seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, 2 hours, or you can do it specific days. And this script will run continuously until it is stopped with a while loop. So without wasting much further time, let's get started. So we are going to make a what do we call it? We are going to make a main py, or let's say I've already opened my CMD, as you can see, and I've already activated my virtual environment. So I'm going to create a Python file and I'm going to call it maybe Autopost. No, it's Sublime. I'm going to use Sublime Autopost autopost.py. It's going to open, and we try to enlarge a little bit. So first of all, we are going to import some 3 modules, but one of them we are going to install it from the Python packages respiratory here, the schedule module. So we just copy and paste, and then hit press enter. In my case, I've already installed. I'm going to see it in a little bit here. So as it installs, so we're going to import studio, then the other one is time it, how much time it's going to time, and then we are going to use random. Yeah, as you can see here, requirement already certified, so I've already installed it. I'm going to clean it here and get back here. So we try to enlarge a little bit. Maybe what do I'm going to make some lists. Maybe what let me call it post. Post is a list. Then I'm going to please subscribe. What's up? And the next it's worked as a reminder. Okay, I'm just making some string, just writing some string. Please like the video. I'm just trying to and the last one write comments in the comment section below. Yeah, as you can see, this will be our list, which you are going to randomly post. It will be running locally, so nothing fancy here. Of course, up with this autocomplete. Then we're going to maybe, let's say, random choice. We're going to define a function random choice. Random choice. So from the post, we are going to select one choice from the post choice, three posts, and we are going to call it. We are going to let's say post choice, post underscore choice. Choice will be random choice. Then we are going to select from the post. Then we are going to print it. So just something, print our post underscore choice, that one, and we save it. Then so that here is where we schedule our posting. Going to minimize a little bit. So with the schedule module here, we are going to schedule when it's going to print our choices, or rather, if you make it more advanced, you can schedule it when to post or to do whatever you want it to do. So with me, I'm going just to print it, so I'm going to call it schedule. Schedule was it every hour, everyone seconds, for it to seconds dot do. Then choice, random choice. So what this function is doing is checking each and every second. What it's going to do, it's going to auto post or auto print, do automatic printing of random choices, which random choice has been selected from post list here. So then to make it print continuous without us interacting or running the script each now and then, we are going to write a while loop, true or true. I don't write this. True schedule dot run underscore padding. Yeah, then we sleep. It sleeps for 1 second and run. Let's save our script and see if it works or it fails. So I'm going to run Python. What did we call post auto post? Then we try. So as you can see, it is posting by itself here. You see, it is selecting randomly and posting. Yeah. As you can see, yeah, just fancy. You can practice with it and do those fancy things with it. Yeah. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and watch other videos in the section. I've been explaining how to do fancy things with Python and automating things, and also later I've been doing videos about AI. So keep rubbed and see you on the next video. Goodbye.